and she was like screaming at me for having guys over because I was like 16. Did you know that I liked you? No, I thought we were just friends. Smart, because we were. He was my first kiss. We've also known each other for about 12 to 13 years now. Rate my personality 3 out of 10. First impression of me, ow, what are you say? Hi, today I'm gonna be awkwardly sending a quiz to all the boys I've ever had a crush on before and seeing what they say. Basically, I'm just gonna be rejected twice. Enjoy. Why am I doing this? It's for your entertainment. So please subscribe. I notice a big chunk of y'all aren't even subscribed that watch my channels, and I read every single one of my subscribers' comments. So if you subscribe and comment something down below, I'll read it and like your comment. Basically, hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Mai. Nice to meet you. I'm 18 and I don't have a boyfriend, and I've only ever had one boyfriend in my life, and I got cheated on. Today I'm gonna embarrass myself even more in front of all of you. But do I really care? No, because it's you. You know, I feel like we're all in this together. Yeah, right? No? Alright, I'm gonna see you when y'all answer. Alright, hi, I'm back, and it's actually probably like 2 weeks later now. I haven't opened any of these yet just because I don't want to, but I guess we have to. I'm scared. I'm real scared. 10 responses. Alright, so basically how this is gonna work is I'm gonna give a little backstory on the person and then we'll read it. Let's do Noel Adams. Alright, so if you don't know, oh my god, this drawing, I didn't realize. Listen, they can see this drawing the whole time. Anyways, that's a drawing that Alyssa did. So what we're gonna do is, no, we're gonna move the camera just a slight angle. All right, so Noel Adams, if you don't know who Noel Adams is, we have been friends since grade 1. So I've known this guy for probably like 12 years now, and we've been friends ever since, except we had a little fallout in like grade 7 where we like hated each other for a solid year. I don't know how that got fixed, but it got fixed somehow. We've just been friends since then. I used to be obsessed. I actually had a video with him where I like hung out with him for 24 hours and like acted like I dated him, but I didn't like him then. I haven't liked him in like years. Last time I liked him, I think I was probably like 6 years old. Anyways, did you know that I liked you? He says, no, I thought we were just friends. Did you like me back? No. First impression of me, it was first grade. To be honest, I have no idea. Rate my attractiveness 7. Fuck you, Noel. Just kidding. It's quality that stands out about me. Outgoingness. Our best memory together is summer 2018. What was I doing summer 2018? Let's go check summer 18. Snapchats. Aw, look, that's us in Europe. Ew. I looked gross. Aw, this is him dancing in Europe. That's not him dancing. This is him walking really weird in Europe. Look at us. Wow. Us in our prime. Rate my personality 8 out of 10. Cool. What terms are we on? 5. We cool as fuck. Any last words from my YouTube viewers? Convince Mai to fly me out to LA. Cool. Next we have Desiree. I had a crush on him when I first DM'd him. So basically I found him on Instagram because he is like this model. I was like, oh my god, this guy's so hot. I found him on Instagram and I DM'd him this DM and I was like, this is me shooting my shot, don't let me airball, and he actually replied. So I had a crush on him at that time, but then like, you know when like you initially like reach out to somebody or whatever, it's because you find them attractive, but like after you hang out with them, you're like, oh, we're just friends. So that's the situation with him. We've hung out a couple times, I think maybe like 2 or 3 times, but I only liked him initially when I reached out to him, you know? And then once you meet someone, it's like a friend vibe. Did you know that I liked you? No, I thought we were just friends. Smart, because we were. Did you like me back? No. First impression of me, very bubbly and enthusiastic. Rate my attractiveness 8 out of 10. Quality that stands out about me, you're impressively independent. Wow, thanks. Not me like flying out to New York alone and hung out with him. It wasn't just to hang out with him, by the way, but like I was literally a fetus, like 16, 17 years old doing this shit. I was flying across the, not even across the country, to another country. Like I was flying from Canada to New York. Our best memory together at nighttime at the hotel lobby, nighttime at the Yota lobby, ahaha, and the sunset mofa and helicopter ride. So basically the first time we met, we like hung out and everything like that, and we went to like, I think he took me to like Chinatown or something, and then we went to, I don't really know where the water is in New York, I don't, somewhere there, and we sat on the bench and like talked for a minute, and then we went back to the hotel and we just hung out in the lobby for like hours. Insert video footage. I don't know, it was fun. And then the last time I hung out with him, we went on a like open door helicopter ride in New York, and it was like sunset, and it was so freaking cute. That was like honestly one of the highlights of my life. Like that was so cool. Rate my personality 1, you dry as fuck. Screenshot, just sent that to him. He says the driest. Des is being 100% serious, by the way. What terms are we on? We cool as fuck. Any last words from my YouTube viewers? Y'all should appreciate her. This content is ballsy AF. GG Mai. Thanks. All right, next up we have Tom. If you don't know who he is, I made a TikTok back in the summer about like a skater boy.
He's tan, brunette, nice eyes, and he's a little bit short, but that's fine.
And basically I was trying to find this boy, and I ended up finding him, and he was a skater, and I just had a crush on him because I don't know, like it was like fun. Like it was a little summer thing. I don't know, I just like, it was like fun. You know, you just like go to the skate park and I don't know, probably gonna. Anyways, but that did not last very long. But it was like fun, you know, quarantine summer. You had nothing better to do than like go outside. Anyways, I don't know. I'm talking about this like I'm in elementary school. I was literally 17 turning 18. Anyways, the age gap just was like not it. Little innocent crush. What's your name, Tom? Did you know that I liked you? Yes, it was painfully obvious. Of course it should be. I made a whole TikTok about you. If you knew that I liked you, how did you know? A TikTok video? Any fucking ways. Did you like me back? Kind of. First impression of me, outgoing. Wow, that is a ongoing thing now. Am I really that outgoing? Rate my attractiveness 10, you're cute. Aw, thanks, Tom. Quality that stands out about me, stubbornness. I am a Sagittarius. I am so stubborn. If you meet me, you'll know I'm so stubborn. I'm like, I don't even know what to say. I'm really stubborn. But you know what though? We get shit done. Our best memories together, Mills. Mills was the skate park that we always went to. Rate my personality, 8 out of 10. Thank you. What terms were you on? 4. From we never talked to coolest. I would agree. I would say it's like a 4. We talk like every once in a while. Any words from my YouTube viewers? Keep skating. He's right. Keep skating. Next up, we have Cruz Wheeler. If you don't know who Cruz Wheeler is, he was my first kiss. We've also known each other for about 12 to 13 years now. And I had a crush on him back in like grade 6. And we actually used to date in grade 6. So that's interesting. He was like my first boyfriend ever. We still besties to this day, like besties, besties, besties. I love this man. Did you know that I liked you? Yes, but I wasn't 100% sure. If you ever knew that I liked you, how'd you know? Well, we did date, so, but before it was just flirting on motherfucking Kick or Snap. Oh my God, do y'all remember Kick? Who let that happen? Who let children have the app Kick? Someone let me know, because that was dangerous. Did you like me back? Yes. Love you. First impression of me, so like grade 1, born to be a YouTube star. Yeah, I've been doing YouTube since grade 1. So everyone back in my hometown has known that I've been doing YouTube for a minute now. I was out there busting my ass trying to do YouTube. Thought she was a tough girl beating up boys and shit. Rate my attractiveness, 8 out of 10. Thanks. Quality that stands out about me, the way you can finesse, period. Honestly, true. Our best memory together, I just want you to tell a story about us here because we have too many. I'm sure you guys have all heard this story, but probably not actually, but our first kiss story, basically we were in grade 6 or whatever. I was like 12 years old and we were dating, I think, or not. And we were at like this fire outside in like the woods and we literally, this is a tree trunk right here. And this was me right here on this side of the tree trunk and he was on this side of the tree trunk. And we like popped our heads here and then we kissed like on the other side of the tree trunk while our bodies were still on this side. Fun fact, fun story. Rate my personality a 9 out of 10. Thanks. What terms are we on? 5, we cool as fuck. I agree. Next we have Charlie Scott. So if you don't know Charlie Scott, basically maybe like 2 years ago when I lived in Edmonton and I was going to high school there, I went to a Canada Day party and I actually vlogged it. I saw this really cute guy there and I thought he was really cute and I started talking to him for a bit, but I was a year older than him and I was 16 and he was 15, I think. We just got each other's Instagrams and then started talking from there. But also anyone that I sent this to, I was really annoying back then, so like honestly not gonna be surprised what people say. What's your name? Charlie. Did you know that I liked you? Yes, but I wasn't 100% sure. I'm surprised it's not yes, it was painfully obvious. If you knew that I liked you, how'd you know? I'm a smart person. Did you like me back? Kinda. First impression of me, I was really drunk and I thought you were old. I was literally like a year older than him, so. Rate my attractiveness, 8 out of 10. Quality that stands out about me, you're a very honest person, not gonna lie. If you don't like somebody, you don't fear to hold that back. But like if it's just meeting you, I'd probably say your style. Honestly, I am a very like outgoing, but very honest person. But I need to work on that. I'm a little too honest. But my style, thanks. Even though I dressed like shit back in the day, thanks. Our best memory together, probably when we got our nose pierced or when I got to meet your grandma. Oh my, literally after I broke up with my ex last year, I drove to Edmonton and I hung out with him and we got our noses pierced together. I don't know, it was just like fun, you know? Or when I got to meet your grandma, basically the second time we hung out, he came over and like he was with another friend as well. It was 2 guys and it was just me and like my grandma didn't trust me back then, so she literally was banging on my fucking door and she was like screaming at me for having guys over because I was like 16 and it was just traumatizing and I felt so bad for them. But anyways, good days on my mind. Rate my personality, 8 out of 10. Thanks. All right, next up we have Lyndon Jones. Basically, Lyndon and I first met when I think we were like 14 or something. I think I saw him at volleyball nationals when I was like 13. Then we started hanging out when I was like 14 or something like that. And I thought he was like attractive and stuff, but I feel bad for this man. Same thing goes with like Charlie and like Des and like everyone, but I don't do this anymore. I don't know if you noticed, but I used to post about boys so much on my social media. Lyndon was like one of the main boys that I used to post on my social media. I feel bad. I literally would live stream, post him on my Instagram. He was in a couple YouTube videos. I don't know, y'all were loving like the boy content, so like I was giving you the boy content, but now I've simmered down. The whole stovetop has been turned off. The gas is off. Before, the gas was on high heat boil mode and now it's like down, off. Like it's just unplugged. Like the gas line is cut off. No more boys on my channel. He's known me ever since I was really fucking annoying, so I don't even want to read this one. What's your name? Lyndon Jones. Did you know that I liked you? Yes, it was painfully obvious. True. If you knew that I liked you, how did you know? You made a TikTok about your hottest friends and I was in it. Haha. And then he put something else, but I can't put that in there. Did you like me back? No. First impression of me, very, very first impression. I thought you were hella creepy because you followed my volleyball team around a ton. So I'm saying I was just like a weird as fuck 13-year-old. After we started talking in the beginning though, I thought you were cool though. Thanks. Rate my attractiveness 6 out of 10. Fuck you, Lyndon. Quality that sounds out about me. I got the vibes that you were only concerned about money and fame, low key. Just kidding. Am I surprised? Not really, because all I used to do was videotape him. Our best memory together, driving down the train tracks downtown Calgary. When I first got my car, he took it and he drove down the train tracks. He turned down that road and we had to like reverse and like do a U-turn and everything, and we almost fucking died. The train was literally like facing us. Anyways, rate my personality 3 out of 10. You, Lyndon. What terms are we on? We never talk. True. Next up we have Nate. Nate, I met him at like a shoe convention back when I was like 15, 16 or whatever. We started talking. I liked him for a while, but then we ended up just being friends. Again, why does this keep happening? But I think we're on okay terms now. We just never really talked, but it ended really rocky and then we kind of just both forgot about it. What's your name? Nate. Did you know that I liked you? No, I thought we were just friends. If you knew that I liked you, how'd you know? I didn't. Did you like me back? Yes. Wow. Interesting. Guess we'll never know. First impression of me, I thought you had great style. Aw, 2 people said I had good style. That's so cute. And I was shocked your feet were size 8. Yeah, I have huge, humongous feet. I was buying shoes and my feet were size 8 and he was like, what the fuck? Rate my attractiveness 8 out of 10. Thanks. Quality that stands out about me. After I got to know you, I thought you were super funny and I was super impressed by your ability to do things alone. That's an ongoing thing now. Our best memory together, always enjoyed going to IKEA with you. We went to IKEA together. I would like to pull up some fucking snap memories or something because I do not remember going to IKEA together. Rate my personality 10. Love being around you. Aw, thanks. Any last words for my YouTube viewers? She's come a long way from cleaning her room at 3 a.m. It's actually 2 a.m. but honestly, yeah, I used to clean my room at 2 a.m. but he was around for that era. He was around for the really fucked up, depressed my era. A lot of these people are around for that era, which concerns me. Next up, we have Fabian Noriker. If you don't know who this is Bali Boy, and we're on like okay terms, I think. The last time I saw him, it was in Greece, but if you don't know, Bali Boy, I made a whole video on him. Basically, I got cheated on, I went to Bali and I met him, and like I thought he was attractive and I liked him, but then after a while, like we're literally just friends. Like when we went to Greece, we were just friends. Like after literally like 2 days of hanging out in Bali, like we were just friends. But then everyone fell in love with him, so obviously we continued being like good friends, and then he helped me out with like a lot of videos and stuff. I think we're on okay terms. I think it was painfully obvious that I liked him. I don't know what he's gonna say about me and I'm kind of scared. Did you know that I liked you? Kinda? What? Okay. If you knew that I liked you, how did you know? I don't know, to be honest. Didn't give much thought into it. Weird. Did you like me back? No. First impression of me, super sweet and nice, good energy and fun to hang around. Always positive and enthusiastic, not boring a single minute, and probably the person I've got the best first impression of. Oh, what? That was so much nicer than I thought it would be because I was painfully annoying and I liked him when I first saw him. Well, like, cause it was like the first reaction. Like I saw him at a waterfall and I was like, this guy's cute. So I started to talk to him, but oh, that was so nice. Rate my attractiveness 7 out of 10. Good. All of these people obviously mean pre-nose job. Quality that stands out about me. I have no idea what this means, but I'll give it a try. Nice person who treats everyone around here good. Always positive and care about the people around her. What? Fabian, you getting all soft and shit. What the fuck is his zodiac sign? Let me fucking double check. He is a Taurus. Interesting. This man is a Taurus. Best memory together, driving home from the beach club and it was raining and the ducks. Oh my god, we were literally, I know I've already explained this before, but we were literally on a motorbike driving home from the beach club and it was pitch black and it started pouring rain and we had an hour drive home and I was in the back of his motorbike and we were driving and literally I told this man I don't trust him driving. He was like, no, I'm good, like I'm better than you. And we were driving and we were on a gravel road and he saw some ducks, so we slammed on the motherfucking brakes and I fell off the motorbike onto the gravel and I scraped up my whole body and I was pissed at him for a minute, but then we like pulled over on the side of the road because it was like pouring rain and like we didn't know what to do. We were like, fuck it, like it's gonna keep raining, we just like have to drive home. So we put our helmets on and we were cold as fuck. Like I was wearing a bikini and he was wearing like just like a t-shirt and shorts and it was pouring rain. Like the rain literally soaked us. Like we were literally just driving and just wet, just driving in the pouring rain, and I literally put my head down on his back and I just fell asleep in the pouring rain while we were driving home and I was not having it. My phone was cracked and water got into it. It was just not good. Rate my personality 10. Aw, thank you. What terms are we on? 3. Yeah, I agree. We don't really talk that often anymore. Any last words for my YouTube viewers? Miss hanging out with you. Would love to travel together when COVID allows it. Okay, well, that was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Wow, I can't believe I did that. I really just did that for y'all, for the entertainment for you. So make sure to subscribe if you found that entertaining. Yeah, if you want to see more of that, make sure to comment down below. below and give this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd be seeing a lot of y'all aren't subscribed. This is the ratio for people who are subscribed and people who aren't subscribed when watching my videos. So make sure to subscribe. It's free and you get to see my videos every single week. I post 3 times a week, by the way. But yeah, follow my Instagram, and until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.